fellow makers, Father Print Krampus here, and I decided that with Father Printmas laid up in bed because he's had his booster, I'm going to do a 3D print. I'm not going to do a Christmas print, I've got one left over from Halloween. This wonderful little jack-o'-lantern figure with an extra twist. He's got a hollow head, so you can put an LED in him and he lights up beautifully. Imagine that on the top of your Christmas tree. That's a bit less festive and a bit more print Krampus. This was made by this 3D printer here, and his talent for scary 3D prints is obvious. Father Printmas will be back with you tomorrow. In the meantime, stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.